Welcome back, everybody, to another fun food review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Chili Con Carne from Hereford Beef. Now, I was at my local Dollar Tree store, and I was literally walking down the aisle, not even looking for this, and boom, there it was on the shelf, which is kind of surprising. It's not even on their website. So I don't know how it got there, if it's going to stay there, if it's only at certain Dollar Trees and not others. Don't know. But everything in the Dollar Tree is no longer $1, it's $1.25 because of inflation. So I went ahead and I got a pouch, and we're going to try it out today. But first, let's take a look at the pouch. Fully cooked, so you could eat it right out of the pouch as is if you didn't want it warm. And here we have nutritional facts and cooking recommendations, and the UPC and our expiration date 2026. Right now it is June of 2024. So let me get everything in here. We'll get set up. We're going to cook it like we would on the trail. Okay, the package said 3 to 5 minutes. We've been slow boiling this at 4 minutes. So we're going to pop this out and give it a try. So let me shut off the stove. And we're going to go ahead and remove everything. Alright. Let's go ahead and tear this open and see what we got. Okay, looks like chili. Smells like chili. So, let's take a taste test right from the pouch. Let's stir it up a little bit. Show you what we got. Looks like chili. Time for a taste test. Okay. It's a little bit reminiscent of Dinty Moore chili. There's no beans in here. It's just beef and whatever seasoning and sauce they used. But it's not a strong flavor. I mean, it's definitely a chili flavor, but I wouldn't say it's like super strong. And get another bite here. That is not bad at all. I'm just struggling with describing the flavor. It kind of reminds me of some of the canned chilies you can get, but so many of those canned chilies had beans in them, and this has no beans. It's a similar flavor though. You know, some oyster crackers or some saltines or something would go really well with this. It'd be really tasty. You know, or straight out of the pouch, not even heated up, would be pretty good too. I mean, I'm going to end up eating this whole thing for my lunch. And there's really not a whole lot there. It's only 6 ounces or 170 grams. 4 grams of protein. But I'll tell you something. If you were putting together for a hike, kind of like a civilian MRE or something, that would go along with other things really well. But I almost feel like you have to have crackers for this. Pretty good. All right, I'm going to finish eating this up, and I'll come back here in a second. Final thoughts time. Okay. It was delicious. We're going to have to see here in an hour or so if I get any heartburn. That'll really tell me a lot. I think this would be great with, like I said, other things. Some crackers, saltines, oyster crackers, what have you. It'd be awesome. What also would be awesome is to be out on the trail, have a little cheese, have this, have some corn chips, and you could have nachos on the trail. Oh my God, so good. Another thing that comes to mind is some hot dogs and having chili dogs on the trail. In fact, that gives me an idea. I'm going to work today. I am going to swing by, get some hot dogs and another package of this, and we're going to see how many chili dogs I can make. Now, I won't be able to film it because I'll be at work, but I will be back to let you know, and let you know about my heartburn, whether I got any or not. So I'll see you from work. We did make chili dogs, me and a buddy, and there's enough, just barely enough chili in one of these pouches for 2 chili dogs. And guess what? No heartburn. I've eaten this twice now. No heartburn. That's awesome. So many other chilies out there, and I'm talking pre-packaged, pre-made chilies. If I eat them, I end up with heartburn an hour later, and it sucks. I can't believe I don't have any heartburn, which really kind of blows my mind here. You know, I'm looking here at the ingredients and such, and I'm just shocked. So, my final thoughts on this are, this is good. This is very good. It's inexpensive. You don't get a lot of chili, though. In fact, if you're familiar at all with Wendy's, the fast food place, and you know that small cup of chili you can get at Wendy's, this is roughly pretty close to that. Well, probably a little less than that small cup. So you're not going to get a lot of chili here. But for one person, you know, on the trail, making something, eating something with something else, I think it's the perfect amount. So it gets a big thumbs up from me. I encourage you to check your local Dollar Tree, see if they have it. It was down the food aisle. I couldn't believe it. I'm definitely going back for more for myself. And I'm going to add this to my pack next time I go out. Definitely worth $1.25. I don't think it's worth any more. I did a quick look online. I found some online retailers that have this, but they want like $4 or $5 for one of these pouches. And I'm like, no. $4 or $5? Are you crazy? Now, I'd put a link, but Dollar Tree doesn't even have it on their website. So, if that changes, I will add a link at a later date. And that's all I got to say about Hereford Chili Con Carne. Buy it, don't buy it, that's up to you. But if you don't, I think you're missing out. All right. Everybody have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching.